So this question here wants me to find the values of A and B. Okay, so I want to find the values of A and B in the diagrams below. So let's have a look here at part B. Okay, so what I want to do is I need to break this down into bits and pieces. I've got A here and I've got B here. Okay, now if I want to have a look at isolating things so that I try to use values that I've got the smallest amount of stuff that I need to find, let's look at this here. I have a straight line there with 160 and A along it. So I know that A must equal 180 take 160, which is 20 degrees. Now I know that because angles along a straight line sum to be 180 degrees. And so that's my rule there. So now that I know that there is 20 degrees, I can now use that all the internal angles in a quadrilateral must sum to be 360 degrees. So I can use B must equal 360 take, and I simply work my way around the quadrilateral, so take 70, take 20, take 260. Okay, and so when I work that out, right, I end up with that angle B must be 10 degrees. Okay, and I've used the rule here of that I simply just have that all my angles inside a quadrilateral sum to 360 degrees. Okay, let's have a look now at part E. Okay, so if we look at E here, okay, basically it's the same kind of idea, right? I've got this angle and this angle that I don't know, but I don't have enough information inside to actually work it out, right? So let's have a look here at this. Okay. Now I know that at any point that the sum of angles around that point must be 360 degrees. So I know that A must equal 360 take 95. Okay, and so what that's going to give me is 265 degrees, and that's because that at any point I know that the angles around that point, right, must be 360 degrees. Okay, right, so if I then have a look here, I know that I now know that that angle there is 265 degrees, and I know that all my angles internally in here inside a quadrilateral must sum to be 360. So I know that now B is equal to 360 take, well, I'll go 265 take 15 take 40. Okay, and so if I then do that, that gives me that it's equal to 40 degrees, and the rule that I've used there is my internal angles in a quadrilateral are 360 degrees. Okay, so I need to just work through step by step.